Research 1. I am Sir Jelby, your virtual research teacher.
Good day once again. Welcome to another learning episode in Research 1 entitled Detailing Experiment. A biology research usually starts with an observation, which is something that catches the scientist's attention. For instance, a cancer biologist can find that a certain kind of cancer is not healed by chemotherapy and wonder why this is the case. By seeing that the coral reefs of her field sites are bleaching, turning white, a marine ecologist will understand why. Hello, I am Mark Angelbert B. Delay, the research advisor of Tayoug National High School. You can follow me at our Facebook page Research Consortium Tayoug NHS or at YouTube channel Jelby Space PH. Why are biologists following up with these findings? How will you follow up on findings of your own natural world? In this post, we'll walk through the scientific method, a logical methodology of problem solving used by biologists and many other scientists. At the core of biology and other sciences lies a problem-solving approach called the scientific method. The scientific method has 5 basic steps, plus 1 feedback step. Make an observation. Ask a question. Form a hypothesis or testable explanation. Make a prediction based on the hypothesis. Test the prediction. Iterate. Use the results to make new hypotheses or predictions. Here are the steps of scientific method. Make an observation. This is the first step of a scientific method. Observing the nature in details. Suppose that your parent asks you to cook rice. You place it on a rice cooker and push the button. Your rice didn't cook though. You ask a question. As one characteristic of research, curiosity, you may ask questions about your observation. What could be the reason why the rice wasn't cooked? Form a hypothesis. As what we discussed previously, hypothesis is an educated guess. So based on your observations and prior knowledge, you will have a possible answer. Maybe the outlet is broken. Make predictions. Prediction is what we expect to see based on our hypothesis. In this case, the prediction could be, if I plug the rice cooker into a different outlet, then it will cook the rice. Now, you test your prediction. We need to conduct an experiment or an extensive observation connected with the prediction to test the hypothesis. For example, you are going to plug your rice cooker into a different outlet and see if it will cook the rice. If it cooks the rice, the hypothesis is likely correct. If it doesn't cook, the hypothesis is likely wrong. Iterate. The scientific method's last step is to focus on our observations and use them to guide our next steps. In this case, we have 2 scenarios. First, the rice were cooked. Hypothesis is justified. Next, the rice will not cook. The hypothesis was not accepted. We have here a sample hypothesis. Adrian conducted a study on the effect of cabbage leaves as a natural hypoglycemic supplement. He tested this to a set of hyperglycemic rabbits for a week compared to a commercial hypoglycemic supplement. Afterwards, the blood sugar of the receive any fertilizer. Let's have a review. What is the difference between experimental and control group? Type your answer, name, and school on the comment section below. Variables, dependent versus independent. An independent variable is one that experimenters change in order to look at causal effect on other variables. It is the variable which is manipulated by the researcher. In this case, the amount of water is considered to be the independent variable. Dependent variable is the response that is tested to see whether the treatment has an effect. In this case, the dependent variable is the size of plant, number of seeds, living or dead. Let's have a review. Write a sample problem and identify the independent and dependent variable. Type your answer, name, and school on the comment section below. Thank you. If you have questions, feel free to send me at the following account. Credits to the following. And check the following references.
That's all for this video. If you have any questions, follow me at the following. Thank you.